In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put an image on a shape using Canva. Whether you're designing a social media post, a presentation, or any kind of visual project, learning how to effectively place images on shapes in Canva can really elevate your designs. So let's dive right in and explore this creative feature step by step. To start, open Canva and set up or open a new design project. Once your design space is ready, navigate to the left-hand side of your screen and click on the Elements tab. This is your gateway to a wide variety of design elements, including shapes, lines, and more. Next, scroll through the Elements section until you find the Frames option. Frames are brilliant because they allow you to easily manipulate images within specific shapes. They provide a clear boundary for your image, making it fit perfectly into the chosen shape, whether it's a circle, square, heart, star, or something more creative. Once you've located the frames, click the See All button to reveal the entire collection of frame options. Canva offers an impressive array of shapes from simple geometric forms to more complex and decorative ones, so feel free to explore and choose one that fits your design vision. After selecting a frame, simply drag and drop it onto your canvas. You can resize and reposition it by clicking and dragging the corners of the frame. This flexibility ensures that your image frame will fit seamlessly into your design, no matter the dimensions. Next, move over to the Uploads tab on the left side of your screen. Here you can upload the image you wish to place in the frame. If your image is already uploaded, you'll find it listed here. If not, clicking the Uploads button allows you to import images directly from your device. Now, select your image and drag it over to the frame on your canvas. Drop it into the frame, and Canva will automatically clip the image to fit perfectly within the shape. This feature saves you from manual adjustments and ensures a clean, professional look every time. By placing images within frames, your designs achieve a more polished and cohesive appearance. This technique is a fantastic way to create visually compelling graphics that capture the attention of your audience. You can experiment with various shapes and images to find the perfect combination that enhances your overall design. With a little practice, you'll be able to incorporate this technique into your projects with ease. Thanks for watching, and happy design.